Mammuth, you see? You got to draw for boobs. Not for boobs, but you have to draw for the boobs. So, you see, here's our neckums, okay? And some shoulders.
Those are far away boobs.
Shh. You don't know nothing. And I don't know why I do this, okay? Ready? Here we go. I will have it come in here. The boob I have come from this. See how it, like, shut up the laughing, you.
Okay, fine.
See, shoulder circle. I have line come from neck down to this. Then I know that where boobies. That's kind of how I do. And you can do circles, okay? Why are you laughing? Always laugh. Anyway, tiny bit so rude. See this, and that is so like if you have bikinis, right? Bikinis can come from here. Okay. And then for the boobs, you see, because now you have this. Now he just always laughing. Have a little bikini time. Oh yes. You can have like these, or for the boobs, right? The big boobies. You can have them close together. Closing together, right? You draw in close on boobies. Usually, like, say that I have that same thing, shoulders. Oh la la. Yes, boobs. Right? Okay. You see here, bra. Oh no! What happened? Okay. Here, bra. Beautiful bra. These ones, since boobies together, big boobies, you can do like date. Maybe put a little lace in it, feeling a little fancy. But if you're doing like a shirt, say that this is like a tank top. Yeah. This. And then this is where, like, say it's like a loose one. Right, where the boobs come at their roundest and most voluptuous. Usually I'll have like part of the shirt come down or whatever. So we're gonna do one that like shows her belly a little bit, you know. Same thing on this side, coming down. Then you can have like one that comes down from this boobage. And then erasing time. Da, 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 da. You can erase a little bit of it, you know. You gotta create boob illusion. Bublusion, or I don't know. Bublusion. Boobies. Big boobie. Smaller separate boobies. But boobies. All the same. Ta-ta! Get it? Get it?